This is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Commander has declared tropical condition storm watch for Okinawa. I repeat, this is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Commander has declared tropical condition storm watch for Okinawa. Command Post out.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Exclusive.
The preceding announcement was brought to you as a public service of your local emergency management office. Our goal is to keep you informed, to keep you safe.
Ready, Cosmo!
Air.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and west central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Jamestown. In addition, Fowlersville, Bell Center, Rosemead, and Gladstone are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Indiana and west central Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
All right, tornado warning for southeastern.
The NWS in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NWS Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 10 miles south of Claysville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to Washington, Canonsburg, Burgettstown, McMurray, and Monongahela. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the NWS by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
For as low as $3.99 a month and over 300...
Test purposes only. This is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued this test tornado warning for northern Indiana effective until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather. This test is to ensure communication systems are receiving this test warning. This test also serves as your cue to enact your tornado safety plan. If this were an actual tornado warning, you would be informed of the location and path of the tornado and given instructions to seek shelter. This has been a test tornado warning from the National Weather Service at northern Indiana. We will now resume normal programming.
South Central Cook County in northeast Illinois. North Central Will County in northeast Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:48 p.m. National Weather Service radar indicated strong rotation in a severe thunderstorm near Homer Glen, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Portland Park and Tinley Park by 9:55 p.m. Oak Forest, Crestwood, and Alsip by 10 o'clock p.m. Midlothian, Posen, Markham, and Blue Island by 10:05 p.m. Phoenix by 10:10 p.m. Take cover now. If no basement is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 o'clock a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.
And on
She really moistens.
The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, western Center County in central Pennsylvania, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at 6:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near Carthouse, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Black-Moshannon State Park around 6:55 p.m. Snowshoe around 7:00 p.m. When a tornado warning is issued based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates, I-80 between mile markers 132 and 153, I-99 between mile markers 65 and 66. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 220, alternate Route 220. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover inside now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris.